Venice, the floating city, is a place where history and romance intertwine like the labyrinthine canals that shape its very essence. Founded in the 5th century by refugees fleeing barbarian invasions, Venice rose from the marshes of the Venetian lagoon to become one of the most powerful and influential maritime republics in history. For centuries, it dominated trade routes between the East and West, amassing immense wealth and an unmatched artistic legacy. Its stunning architecture, grand palaces, and elaborate festivals have enchanted travelers for generations, making it one of the most unique and breathtaking cities in the world. Today, Venice continues to captivate with its timeless charm, drawing millions of visitors who come to wander its narrow alleys, glide through its canals, and immerse themselves in its rich past. Let's embark on a journey to discover the top 30 places you absolutely must visit in this magical city. 1. St. Mark's Basilica. This stunning cathedral is the heart of Venice. Its golden mosaics and intricate domes will leave you in awe. Built in the 11th century, it represents Venice's power and connection to the Byzantine Empire. The exterior alone is breathtaking, but stepping inside transports you to another world, full of shimmering gold and intricate artwork. 2. St. Mark's Square. Surrounded by historic buildings, this iconic piazza is perfect for people watching and soaking in Venetian vibes. Known as the drawing room of Europe, the square has been a hub of activity for centuries. It's home to the Basilica, Doge's Palace, and the famous cafes where people have gathered for generations. 3. Doge's Palace. Step into the opulent world of Venice's rulers. The grand halls and secret passageways are a must-see. This Gothic masterpiece was the seat of the Venetian government for centuries. The lavish interiors, decorated with works by artists like Tintoretto, will make you feel like you've stepped into a royal court. 4. Rialto Bridge. One of Venice's most famous landmarks. Take in breathtaking views of the Grand Canal and explore the market nearby. The bridge, dating back to 1591, was an engineering marvel of its time and remains a central part of the city's commercial life. The nearby market is one of the best places to experience local flavors and fresh seafood. 5. Grand Canal. Ride a vaporetto or gondola along this stunning waterway, lined with centuries-old palaces. The Grand Canal serves as the main artery of Venice, showcasing the city's architectural beauty and history. Watching the sunset from a boat ride here is a magical experience. 6. Bridge of Sighs. This beautiful white limestone bridge connects the Doge's Palace to the old prison. Legend says lovers who kiss under it will have eternal love. The name comes from the sighs of prisoners who took their last glimpse of freedom before being locked away. 7. Murano Island. Famous for its glassmaking, watch artisans create dazzling glassworks and shop for unique souvenirs. Murano has been producing some of the world's finest glass since the 13th century, and visiting a workshop here offers insight into this ancient craft. 8. Burano Island. A colorful paradise. Wander through its vibrant streets, known for lace making and delicious seafood. The brightly colored houses create a postcard-perfect setting, and the lace-making tradition here dates back centuries. 9. Torcello Island. A peaceful escape with ancient churches, including the stunning Santa Maria Assunta Cathedral. Once the most important settlement in Venice, Torcello now offers a quiet, historical retreat with one of the oldest mosaics in the lagoon. 10. Teatro La Fenice. One of Italy's most famous opera houses. Catch a performance or take a guided tour. 10. This historic theater has survived fires and reconstructions, maintaining its status as a world-class opera venue. 11. Peggy Guggenheim Collection. Modern art lovers, this one's for you. Discover works by Picasso, Dali, and Pollock in a stunning canal-side villa. The museum was once Guggenheim's private home, adding a personal touch to the incredible collection. 12. Accademia Gallery. Featuring masterpieces of Venetian Renaissance art, this museum is a treasure trove for art enthusiasts. It houses works by Bellini, Tintoretto, and Veronese, offering a deep dive into Venice's artistic heritage. 13. Basilica di Santa Maria della Salute. The Baroque beauty that stands at the entrance of the Grand Canal. Built as a dedication to the Virgin Mary after a plague outbreak, its interior is filled with striking paintings and sculptures. 14. Campo Santa Margherita. A lively square with cafes, bars, and a buzzing nightlife scene. Great for mingling with locals and students. It's the go-to spot for an authentic Venetian evening. 15. Arsenale, a historic shipyard that played a major role in Venice's naval dominance. Explore its impressive architecture and exhibitions. Ca' Resinico, this grand palace-turned-museum is a time machine to 18th century Venice, with lavish rooms and stunning frescoes. 17. Ca' d'Oro, a Gothic masterpiece on the Grand Canal. Inside, you'll find a fine collection of Renaissance art. San Giorgio Maggiore, take a short boat ride to this island and climb the bell tower for one of the best views in Venice. Scala Contarini del Bovolo, hidden in a small alley, this spiral staircase offers a secret panoramic view of the city. 20. Jewish Ghetto, the oldest Jewish ghetto in Europe. Explore its rich history, synagogues, and authentic kosher eateries. 21. Libreria Acqua Alta, a bookshop like no other. Books are stacked in bathtubs and gondolas to protect them from floods. Fondaco dei Tedeschi, a luxurious shopping mall with a rooftop terrace offering stunning views of Venice. Zattera, a scenic promenade along the Giudecca Canal, perfect for a sunset stroll and some gelato. Palazzo Grimani, a hidden gem with unique Renaissance interiors and fascinating art collections. Church of San Pantaleone, don't miss its jaw-dropping ceiling fresco, one of the largest in the world. Madonna dell'Orto, a Gothic church with works by the legendary painter Tintoretto, who is also buried here. Campo San Polo, one of Venice's largest squares, great for relaxing, exploring, and catching open-air events. 28. Venetian Mask Shops. Venice is famous for its carnival masks. Visit an artisan workshop and see how they're made. 29. Baccari and Cicchetti, experience Venetian street food at small wine bars called Baccari. Try Cicchetti, delicious bite-sized snacks. 30. A gondola ride. No trip to Venice is complete without gliding through the canals in a traditional gondola. It's a little pricey, but the experience is unforgettable. And there you have it, the top 30 places to visit in Venice. Whether you're here for the history, the food, or just to get lost in its magic, Venice is a city that will steal your heart. Which of these places would you visit first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures.